Welcome to this video about ontology engineering tools. My name is Maria Poveda and the main goal of this video is to show different tools that can be used to implement ontologies. According to the Neon methodology, ontology implementation refers to the activity of generating computable models according to the syntax of a formal representation language. In our case, we consider RDFS and OWL as such representation languages. As we can see, this activity belongs to the basic scenario and should be carried out in any ontology development project. In the following, we are going to see some ontology editors that aim to help users to implement ontologies. It is worth mentioning that the editors usually come with a number of plugins or extensions that also help users to carry out many different activities. However, we will only focus on the editors providing a general overview. Protege is one of the most commonly used ontology editors. It is open source and provides support for adding or developing plugins. It is designed as a desktop application and developed by the Stanford Center for Biomedical Informatics Research. Protege edition environment is organized by tabs. In this slide, we can see the tab summarizing metadata information and metrics about the ontology being edited in Protege. We can see the ontology license, creators, description, etc. And we also see that ontology has 31 classes, 24 object properties, and 13 data type properties, among other information. This slide shows the Classes Edition tab. We can create classes in this tab and add annotation and axioms about the classes. In the same way, we can edit object properties in the dedicated tab. Apart from creating and annotating them, we can also add property characteristics and axioms. The Data Type Property Edition tab is very similar to the Object Property one. However, in this case, the only property characteristic we can apply is the functional one. In the Individuals tab, we can create instances, declare the class they belong to, add annotations and relations with other instances or values. There is an online version of Protege for collaborative and distributed development. It is called Web Protege and it is also open source. The Neon toolkit was developed in the context of the European project Neon. It is designed as a desktop application based on Eclipse environment and allows the installation of plugins. Finally, ThoughtBreak Composer is an ontology editor which provides some free features and has commercial extensions. Remember that it is advisable to check the complementary material available in the system.